Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Vibes, the channel where learning English is fun and easy. I'm May.
Hi, May. Hi, everyone. Dan here. Today, we're talking about something super practical, how to use your daily routine to improve your English without even trying too hard.
That's right. And I promise by the end of this episode, you'll have at least 3 new ways to sneak English into your day. Stay with us.
Let's start with the morning. My alarm is evil. Beep, beep, beep. I hit snooze maybe 10 times. Do you hit snooze too? Tell us in the comments.
Ha, Dan. I wake up early before the sun, and the first thing I do, coffee. While drinking it, I read a short article in English. Just 2 minutes, and my brain starts thinking in English. Simple, but effective.
Smart. I listen to a short podcast while getting ready. Quick and easy. Tip: pick one new word and try to say it aloud 3 times. You'll remember it better.
During breakfast, I label things around me in English. My cup, my plate, little things, but they really stick in your mind.
I do something similar. I record myself reading English sentences. Weird? Maybe. Effective? Definitely.
On the way to work, I love listening to English music or short podcasts. Even 5 minutes counts.
Exactly. And sometimes I guess the meaning of a new word while listening. It turns learning into a little game. Quick challenge for you. Can you guess the meaning of hit the books? Comment below.
During lunch, I watch a short YouTube video in English with subtitles. Fun, fast, and super helpful.
I chat with friends online in English. Tiny conversations add up. Don't worry if you make mistakes. That's how we learn.
Even talking to yourself in English works. Repeat phrases you hear in podcasts. It sounds silly, but it works.
And here's another tip. Write one new phrase every afternoon and try to use it before the day ends.
Mini challenge time. Today's idiom is break the ice, which means to start a conversation in a friendly way. Try using it today and tell us how it goes.
Moving to the evening, I write a short journal entry in English about my day. Weird? Maybe. Helpful? Absolutely.
I watch a series in English with subtitles, relaxing and educational. Fun tip, repeat a funny line from the show aloud.
And here's a quick trick before bed. Think of one English word you learned today. Tiny habits lead to big results.
So the key is small steps throughout your day. Even simple routines like coffee, lunch, or commuting can help you improve your English.
Thank you everyone for listening. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and write in the comments, are you a morning English learner like May or an evening English ninja like me?
See you next time on English Vibes. Remember, make English part of your daily life in fun and easy ways.